Hey guys, welcome to the next part of triggers and here now as I showed you how the trigger works, so we are going to make it a little dynamic. We are going to use custom array property here, and we'll just go ahead and start using the custom properties. So what I'll do is I'll copy this. I'll just make a new JS file, say back.js, and here I'll just start editing everything. So I need the setting part, but before that I need a new custom property, say triggers with, and here I'm going to copy this and paste it. So I'm going to refresh this and see how it looks. So it will not have a label, I think. Perfect. It has its label. I'll change it to define trigger, and here I'll say trigger as an array. So for this you need to initialize array. So I'll just go ahead and I'll initialize one over here. I'll say triggers. I'll delete this, save, refresh. By the time I'll edit these, I'm gonna remove this, say start, and in here I'm going to copy these. So perfect. I'm gonna cut. I don't need this. I'm going to paste it here. Let's format this. Perfect. Custom object trigger. I don't need the general part. Define triggers. Perfect. Here we know. Now we are defining the triggers, but I'll say my label, my title should be as my field name. So I'll just do that. Hit on save, and I'll move forward and I'll just edit this function. So in the previous video I showed you how this function works, and now I'm going to do is I'm going to say dollar dot each function with layout dot my array name, which is trigger, and say function which has a key comma value, and then I'm just going to cut this, paste it here. and now I need to replace my layout with the value. So what can I do is object layout, and layout. Perfect. I'm gonna save, and here I'm going to console log my layout, object layout, and check if it's working or not. Okay, triggers, it is empty. I'm going to add state. I'll see, okay, field value, which is the select match, which is IN. Okay, IN. Okay, I'll see this. I'll go to triggers. Yes, I have one field here. What I'll do is I'm gonna see my fields. Let's say basket items. Basket items. I'm going to define one more basket items, which will select my first value, for example. Sorry for this. Enter. Perfect. I'm gonna go back. Clear. Perfectly fine. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. So what can I do is I'm gonna delete the state from here. No, I'm not gonna delete it. I'm gonna say lock the selection. Yeah. So when I unlock it here, it says I'm going to go back, forward, and I'm going to add. Okay, I need to delete this and add the object again. I'm going to say state, select match, India. Perfect. I'm going to go forward. Okay, my selection is locked and my basket item is selected. So in this way you can make your own extension. So I'm going to tweak it a little bit. For example, I'm going to give it max value, which is 10, and after adding, or when I add 10 objects in it, it will just say okay. I forgot to change this field name. Add field actions, refresh. Field actions, it is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, maximum field is 10 as I have defined it here. Perfect. So in this way, let's in the next video we are going to add one more custom property which will be from the variable part, variable API, using the variable API. we are going to add it here, what the properties will be. So it has create variable. We are not going to create it because we can create the variable from here. So we are going to create the variable from here and add the action to it from using this APIs. So we are going to use set string, value, content, get content, by name also. So not by name, but get content by ID or something like this. So yeah, so get content of my variable here, which will reply me a JSON file, and I can set the content to it. So I'll read the content first, and then I can set it if the value is match, or we can add some condition to it or something like this. So let's go ahead and add that also. So it will be quite similar to the Qlik one, but it is not. It will not be the same, but it will be quite similar to that. So I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.